welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be very short and sweet. If you've been following along, you know that I would normally upload a video earlier in the day on a Saturday, but today I was just not in the mood to film anything. As you can see, my lighting is off. I do use natural light, if you're wondering. Everything relating to my filming and so forth is in my description box, and as you can see, the lighting isn't so great. It's been really overcast and bleak here for the past week, so I just haven't really been in the mood to film anything. I just blah. So yeah, I'm forcing myself to film today because the best way to build a habit is to do whatever it is that you're doing over and over and over again. So here we are. So today's video has been a long requested one by my best friend, and she wants to know how I do my signature head wraps that I wear for my other videos. So we'll be doing that today, and I'm not quite sure exactly how this video is going to pan out, because as you can see, I'm wearing braids. When I do wear my head wrap, it's because my hair is not combed and I need to do something really quick. I usually do it on short hair, and my hair under it is usually in French braids or a low bun. So I'm not quite sure how the wraps I'm going to do today are gonna turn out, but we're gonna try. So I use one of two head wraps whenever I do this. I use either this one, which you guys have probably seen in my last, well, not the last two videos, but two consecutive videos or three consecutive videos that I've done. I've done my wrap with this one. It's relatively big. I don't know the fabric. If I can find a tag. Alright, here we go. It's 100% polyester. Head wrap is very breathable. I got this one as a gift from my grandmother, and this is the one that I actually really like to use because I can do a whole lot more with it. The other one that I'm wearing in my diaper bag video is a shorter, thinner, light pink one. I'm not going to be using that one in today's video. I'm just going to be using this one. So let's get started, shall we? I hope that helped the video glare a little bit more. It was driving me crazy, so I can only assume that it will be driving you guys crazy as well. But we're not gonna start over because this video is gonna be really short and really sweet. So what I'm gonna do now with my braids, since I usually have my hair in a low bun, for this one that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use a head tie, hair wrap, and put my braids in a ponytail. There we go. And then I'm gonna get my wrap, and I'm not gonna fold it or anything. I know that for most of them you do fold it, but I'm teaching you guys my way of doing it, and I don't fold it. So what I'm gonna do is fold it up and ensure that my head is in line with the middle of it, and then gather until we're here. Then twist Alright, I'm gonna try to do this as slowly as possible. Twist and tie it. Into a knot at the front. So after I have our knot here, I'm gonna be twisting, wrap down to the very end, and then I'm going to be rolling it around the knot like so, and tuck these sides behind my ears, and there we go. This is the first head tie that you guys always see on my channel. Right, this is the way I always do it. I'm gonna come up a little closer so you can see it. There you go. And for this method, before I got this adept at doing it, ensure that this little piece right here stays in place. Sometimes I'd use a hair tie to put around it to ensure that it stays in place all day, or I use hairpins to pin it down. I usually, if I'm going to be out for a long time during the day, I usually use hairpins at the sides. This is actually sitting really well on my hair. I don't know if it's because I do have braids in, but it's actually sitting very well. So now for my second method on how to tie this. So I'm just gonna take this down. This method has two ways to do it, but the second way is really ghetto, and that's how I do it when I'm in a rush to go where I'm going. So I don't think that you guys have ever seen this second method here on my channel yet, but for this method, I'm almost certain that it's going to be almost impossible to do with my hair, but that's what I said for the first one. So let's see how well it goes. So I'm going to find the middle of the wrap again, and I'm going to pull it right up to my hairline. Normally I'd have my hair out and my edges laid along here for that, and hopefully you guys can see, but I'm gathering the fabric again at the back, and then I'm going to bring the gathered fabric over here to the side. Yes, bring it over here to the side. Oh, this can be gathered a whole lot more. Bloopers, like watch them live, because I definitely won't be unclipping these. Everything we film here is raw. I don't like to do a lot of editing, and I prefer to do it on my phone, so the software can't do that anyway. So I'm going to readjust this, and I'm not going to take the two different ends this time. For the twist, I'm just going to start twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting right down to the end. You don't have to do it to the end actually. Alright, get this out of the way, and then hold and roll just like we did for the top knot. One, and there we go. A nice side knot. This is how it looks. This goes great paired with some hoop earrings, some really large gold hoop earrings and some laid edges. This is what I do when I want to feel fancy on days when I'm definitely not fancy. So there we go. 2 methods of how I go about tying my head wrap. Now there are videos here that will show you several more. These are my go-to 2 styles for wrapping my hair, and like I said, this is just one of 2 scarves that I have. I don't think that the second one can do this one. I've never tried it with the second one though. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me on this video today. And if you do like this video, leave a like below in the comments, and don't